Here's another video of how we wire up Chuchero boxes. We always test every product to make sure it works before we actually do the installation. So how are we going to wire this up? We're going to take these two tweeters and wire them series. Series means this positive is going to go to the amplifier, and this negative is going to go to that positive of that tweeter, and then that negative connection is going to go to the amplifier. That's called series connection. We're going to put that in parallel with this mid-range, and that's how we're going to do the first connection. For channel 2, we're going to wire this horn driver with that mid-range, and we're going to do a parallel connection. A parallel connection means both positives and both negatives are put together, and that's going to go to the amplifier. That's a parallel connection. Now we're going to make the series connection between both tweeters. Again, the series connection is the positive on this tweeter going to the amplifier, and then we're going to take the negative of that tweeter to that positive of that tweeter, and then that negative is going to go to the amplifier. And that's how you make a series connection. So Francis is finishing up the parallel connection between the two series wide tweeters to the 6.5-inch DS18 mid-range. Solder all your connections for the best connections. Now we're making the connection from this mid-range to that horn driver, and we're going to do a parallel connection. Parallel connection is both positive and both negatives together going to the amp. Making the connection from the mid-range speaker to the horn drivers. Okay, all the connections inside the box are finished, and we're going to finalize the connections with the speak-on plug. Thanks for watching.